Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Sodium and Sodium Extra for Minecraft Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Sodium Moderate and click on the Moderate link. Then go to versions, then go to a platform, Fabric, game versions 26.1 and download this file here. Then go to discover content, mods, and then you need to look for Sodium Extra. Click on this link here. Then go to versions, again, game versions 26.1, platform, Fabric. And then download this file here. Then go back on mods, look for Fabric API, click on it, versions, game versions 26.1, and then download latest one. Then you need to go to fabricmc.net, press download, and download for Windows. Once you have these four files, make sure Minecraft Loader, Minecraft Launcher, and Minecraft itself is completely closed. Then go to Fabric Installer, wait for a couple of seconds, select Minecraft version 26.1 and press install. And wait until installation is done. Then load Minecraft Launcher. Once it's loaded, then go to installations here, look for Fabric Loader 26.1, press on the folder, and then you need to look for mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, just press new and create a new one and name it mods. Then you need to just drag and drop these three files here. And once you do so, then you need to just launch Fabric Loader 26.1. And in game, you need to go to options, video settings, and you will see Sodium and Sodium Extra options here. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.